The ShipConstructor Subscription Advantage Pack offers additional value to ShipConstructor subscribers by offering early access to new and innovative features before they're migrated to core products. Important features become available in the Subscription Advantage Pack for ShipConstructor 2018 R2.1, such as the ability to set user-defined attribute values based on parts location inside the ship, and the improved functionality for model linking. If you want to indicate a compartment where a modeled part is located, the new Set User-Defined Attributes from Volume functionality can be used to quickly analyze the physical presence of parts inside various areas of the ship, and then assign all the parts the same value. The areas can be defined with AutoCAD 3D solids stored in separate drawings. The enhanced model linking functionality will help you quickly bring area representations into your current drawing while setting the UDA values. Finally, a visual check with Autodesk Navisworks can be an efficient way to ensure correct UDA assignments. We encourage you to take full advantage of the new features. If there's any feedback or questions you may have, we'll be happy to engage in a conversation with you on SSI Nexus. Thanks for watching.